Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. I'm Chitra. In this video, I will be sharing with you my review of 4 different water filters which are quite big brands and that are available in the market, and I will also be giving you my reasons for why we chose Berkey last year. Let's begin with this review. The brands that we will be reviewing will be Brita, Aquasana, Katadyn and Big Berkey. Big Berkey is the latest to our kitchen and we got this late December, just before the whole crisis situation started. I'm happy we got it then because now there is probably a delay in getting Big Berkey. I have made a full blog post regarding the reasons of why we chose Berkey, and I will leave the link below in the description box. This video is not a sponsored video and I am not sponsored by any of these brands. Switzerland has actually very good water supply. We don't have any harmful substances added to this water supply. There is no chloride or fluoride added to it. Yet we were using a water filter in the kitchen to remove out the limescale deposits. This is because we wanted to protect our coffee machine and even our baking oven, because my baking oven has an integrated steam and baking function and I had to often decalcify it. This was the reason why we had a water filter. And for many years now, I also was aware that despite the good quality water, there is some harmful substances that are leached into the water supply through agriculture or the hormones which do get leached to it. So I was very determined to remove this out also to protect our health. I consider a good water filter an investment to our health. The longest filter which we had in use was Brita. Now Brita is the most sold water filter and it is also the most used in Switzerland. Some of our friends do also have a water filter attached to the main kitchen tap and that filters out something. But I haven't had the opportunity to try it out because I wanted a better system. In between, we also used Aquasana for about 3 to 4 years. And since we moved to this house, we couldn't use Aquasana. The last filter which I would also like to share with you is actually not so much in use. This is mainly for travel and it is very popular amongst preppers and it is called Katadyn. And this is a very handy filter to take with you when you're traveling or when you're camping or hiking. So this is Swiss made. It is a little bit on the pricey side for this small size. Since we moved to this house, we have installed a device in the main water supply to change the ionic composition of water. Mainly, it is to help the machines last longer and also to reduce the limescale deposit on the kitchen and in the showers and to reduce the clogging of the pipes. But this doesn't filter out anything. Let's get into the cost aspect of all these 4 water filters. For Berkey, we paid 600 euro and this is not the price in the other parts of the world. This is mainly because we ordered it from Berkey UK. We had to pay a customs duty of 80 Swiss francs. We also ordered in a few extras like a stand and a stainless steel spigot. We didn't opt for fluoride filters because there is no fluoride added into our water supply, at least as far as I know. In Zurich and around Zurich, there is no fluoride added to the water supply. This cartridge should last for about 23,000 liters. Now let's go into the cost factor of Brita. Brita, the pitcher itself is quite cheap. You can get it for about 30 Swiss francs, a Brita pitcher with an extra filter cartridge to it. But the usage is quite expensive because every month or every 3 weeks we had to change the filter, and the cost of each of these filters comes to roughly about 7 to 8 Swiss francs. It depends. If you can get it on a sale, you can get a pack of 6 for 45 Swiss francs. And then the other negative is it can filter maximum 1.5 liters and I had to wait each time to fill up and so that it filters out. Berkey has a capacity of 8.5 liters, and for our small family this is actually more than sufficient. Sometimes I do fill it twice a day, but Brit on the other hand, I have to fill 5 to 6 times, and by then the cartridge is used up. You have a scale marked over here, and you can see how effective the filter is working. Now this is not so easy to clean, and mainly this is also plastic, and I usually use vinegar to clean out the lime scale. In the long run this works out quite expensive, and this is also effective in filtering out the lime scale, and this was the reason why we got it. By the way, Big Berkey doesn't filter out the lime scales, but what I personally noticed from past 6 months is that the lime scale is easier to clean off. Just with a little bit of vinegar and brushing, it comes off quite easily. So it's not cleaning out the lime scale completely, just to make it very clear. The other filter that we have experienced is Aquasana. The cost of Aquasana was 230 Swiss francs when we got it, and the extra cartridges were 60 Swiss francs. You'll have to change the cartridges a couple of times a year in Aquasana, and the system works like this. You have to fix this to the main tap, and then it has 2 cartridges. One is in, it goes through one of the cartridges, filters in, and then does a second filtration, and then it comes out. So this has to fit into the tap, and the water comes out by pressing this one. We couldn't use this system mainly because it was not fitting in this tap, and that's why we couldn't use this for quite some time now. I had to revert back to Brita. Then the other filter is Katadyn, and Katadyn is very popular amongst preppers and hikers, and also sold in survival websites. Katadyn is made in Switzerland, and we paid 130 Swiss francs a few years back. I think we got it about 8 or 9 years back, and we took it for a couple of travels with us. The cartridge itself is quite pricey. That is 75 Swiss francs. That I think is almost the cost of the filter. But this is Swiss made, high quality stuff. You can actually filter even river water with this. We haven't tried it out. So this works like this. I have here a pitcher of water, and then you can pump it out like this. After reading a lot about Berkey, I was pretty much convinced that Berkey is the system that I have to go for. In case of emergency, it's also useful. I could take the water from the stream or from the spring and filter it easily, because to do that with a small Katadyn, it will take a long time, but this is very practical. And according also to Berkey, this is supposed to remove the bacteria, viruses, and many other chemicals and metals in it. It's supposed to also remove lead, but I am not making any claim. I will leave the link of Berkey below in the description box. Does it remove fluoride? For that you'll need to get a special fluoride filter. I didn't see a need for this fluoride filter because there is no fluoride added. Another reason why I chose Berkey is that I can take it with me wherever I go. You can even take it on your travels, and if I have to move home, I can take it along with me. I don't have to be leaving behind an extensive water filtration system like a reverse osmosis behind. So far, we are loving our Big Berkey, and one of the main reasons is it does look good in our kitchen, and it's also easy to clean. It's made of high quality stainless steel, and I don't have to be bothered about changing the cartridges every month. These are the main reasons. The initial investment is high, but in the long run, when you consider the usage for 10-11 years, it does pay off compared to Brita or Aquasana. I hope this video was useful for you, and it could give you some insight and some information in case you're considering buying a water filter. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. Kindly also take a look at my blog post on the reasons why we got Berkey. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Until next time, bye-bye.